Simplistic yet powerful, say it with a daisy. Hand-painted to show off the detail of a yellow and white daisy. Durable zinc die-cast metal frame is chrome-plated, carefully hand-polished and hand-painted. Designed to fit all standard 6 by 12-inch novelty license plates. User-friendly and easy to install. See back of package for installation instructions. Fit type. Universal. Simplistic yet powerful. Say it with a daisy. This frame is made of durable zinc die-cast metal and is chrome-plated. Cruiser Accessories is a family-owned business that has been manufacturing and selling license plate frames for over 30 years. Through innovation, attention to detail and many patented designs, Cruiser has evolved into the largest supplier of license plate frames, novelty plate shields and mounting hardware in the automotive aftermarket. Cruiser's product line also includes both standard and exclusive star pin locking hardware, designer fastener caps, mounting accessories, motorcycle frames and 3D decals. Let Cruiser Accessories complete your ride's look today. Top reviews from the United States. Very cute, but can they be engraved? Might have trouble getting it engraved. I bought 2, one for each car and needed to go to find someone who could engraver. Was hoping I could get it engraver by the company but was not offered. BT the plates are as cute as they look in the picture.